Okay, hello dear friends. Let's take a look. We have some salad. So I will put in the salad. Let me put a little bit more of that. Turn the fire strong. 谢谢. Okay, and we will have our golden sauce. Maybe I should give it a name. This is mushroom, pickled vegetable, salty vegetable, and then there are some meat, ginger, onion. It is full of flavor and very salty, so I use it as a base for cooking. Then I put in the rice, still freezing some of it. Maybe half of it is enough. Then we cover it up. Just so simple. I may want to put some water in it. 5 minutes later, we turn it around. See you later in 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3 minutes in, I just realized I did not even say hello. Oh my goodness. Hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. Okay, the rest 2 minutes. Cover it up. See you in 2 minutes. Goodbye, bye. Okay, 2 minutes later, all good. Okay, this is it. Soft, tender, and crispy. All good. Take a closer look. This is good.